Aquatics.com. Hello world, how's it going? Hope you guys are all doing great. If not, I hope it gets better for you. Today I wanted to share with you guys who's back in this tank here. But before I do that, let's turn off some lights because that glare just gets brutal. Ooh, spooky. But now it'll be a lot better to see this tank. I don't think I've actually ever done the justice for this tank to do this. And since I am doing this in HD, might as well do it right? And check out these Dock and See Simless barbs, aka mascara barbs, looking super awesome. But oh, there it goes. That's what we're actually here for. Many of you guys who have been watching the channel for a long time remember me having Melanitania Goldie-eyed Acai in here, which I was planning on selling them. They ended up being way too big to ship in the bags. They were just ripping holes in them, and I just did not trust shipping them. So I had to pull out on that, refund the money, or I gave them some juveniles. And yeah, they're back here. I sent them into a couple other tanks, been playing musical fish with them, so I've got a few babies and hopefully get them bred out. But definitely happy that I didn't ship them out, risk their lives, and they're back here in the 125. The behavior in this tank has been different ever since I put them in here. With just the hill trouts and the mascara barbs, there used to be dwarf neons in here. The hill trouts, which are these guys, they can get a little aggressive, and we're really causing some issues with the dwarf neons. And yeah, so I ended up having to put them all down here. But now that the Goldie-eyed Acai are in there, they're kind of balancing in between those. So I may be able to add the dwarf neons back. But look at that. Awesome fish. And these are gold barbs. And we got cherry barbs in there. Like, I love the hill trouts, just they're kind of mean. And these two come from the same waters, and these kind of protect those. These guys are really cool, really chill. And we got the Placos in here, bristlenose as well. More Goldie-eyed Acai. That light hits them just right too, especially in the morning. That's not even them turned on. Then I also got the Golden Wonder Killifish in here as well. One of my favorites. This was actually the first fish I ever bred. It was a Golden Wonder Killifish. There's a female in there somewhere. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. Actually get one of my tanks in HD, huh? Who knows, maybe I'll do this more. I really like going live with you guys though, because it's more interactive. These are still nice too, because you guys can see the fish a little better. Love this tank. And while we're at it, might as well go ahead and feed these, because this is one of my favorite things to do with this tank, because they just go crazy. Well, they probably would have been crazier if I would have teased them a little bit, but you see, even with that much food in there, they're still going nuts. So I usually like to feed them though, that way enough gets down to those little cherry barbs down there trying to get their bits. Those are the females, the less colorful ones. See that super red male there? You can see the frenzy. So awesome. You know that I'd eat more than that too. And that's a 125 long Luigi Archeata Taiwan Lily. I'll tell you any. Some super awesome fish. Alright, so there you have it. It's still dark in here, but whatever. Hope you guys liked this video. Share it, subscribe, all that stuff you do on YouTube. And yeah, until next time, everybody, have a great one, and peace.